Hey, what's up guys? Zimmy's Rips here, and today we're going to be opening the 2024 Topps Chrome Update Series. Each box contains 7 packs containing 4 cards each. It does say that you get 10 exclusive X Factors and 2 Ray Wave parallels per mega box. So let's dive right in. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And comment down below what you guys think I should open next. Anyways, let's get right into it. So start off with pack 1. Trevor Rogers. We got Shota Imanaga, rookie debut. Lamont Wade. You have a Emmett Sheehan on the X Factor. We have a Jack Leiter. We have a Tatis All-Star Game, I think Refractor. Isaac Paredes X Factor, and then we have a Nelson Velasquez Ray Wave. This box should go pretty fast. There's not really a lot of packs, or not a lot of cards per pack, so it should go relatively quick. Got a Lenyn Sosa, Winsel Perez, Rodri Munoz, and Jack Flaherty. Down to 4 more packs. Hoping for a numbered card. Dang. Alright. Alright. Nasim Nunez. We have a Aaron Judge All-Star Game. We have a Mitchell Parker. And a AJ Puck. We have an insert. Tyler Black. We have a Masataka Yoshida Future Stars. We have a Jordan Leisure X Factor. And a Trevor Rogers Refractor. So far, nothing good. Just need 1 hit. That's all. 1 hit. Yeah, Adam Ottavino, Ricky Vanasco on the Prism, Santiago Espinal on the X Factor, and then a Jordan Westburg Refractor. It's a ton of roller lines. I don't know if yeah, right there. Yeah. All right, down to our last pack. Just hoping we get at least something decent out of these. Got a Brian Ramos. Ooh, I see a numbered card right behind it. Let's pull it down. Kevin Kiermaier out of 399. Not exactly the name we want, but a numbered card is a numbered card. Justin Foscue, and a Carlos Carrasco. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.